This is it, the day we've all been waiting for. This is wash day number 1 of the Curly Proverbz and Belle Bar Organic Hair Growth course. These are the pieces of the growth kit that I'll be using today. You won't be seeing the onion and garlic oil because I've already pre-pooed with that last night. And the argan oil I used after my hair was dry as the very last step on the ends of my hair. Now I'm going to show you how I mixed up the rest. I feel like an alchemist. These are my 3 choices for deep conditioning: hibiscus, fenugreek, and henna. Fenugreek and henna are both proteins, and since I'm not due for protein for another week, I won't be using those. It looks like moisturizing hibiscus is going to be the winner. Here's the lineup of players for wash day number 1. First up is the hibiscus and black soap cleanser. We'll be using this in place of shampoo. Next, we have my Alcide conditioner. I usually use 3-Minute Miracle, but this one seems to work just fine. Next is the hibiscus mask mixed with Shea Moisture's Manuka and Honey conditioner. And bringing up the rear is the strengthening tea. A quick tip before we start is to file all those snags in our nails. It will keep us from ripping our hair to shreds. Well, I made it back from the shower. My hair is a little frizzier than normal. Oh, what, this old thing? I would suggest you don't wear anything you like while you're doing this next part because you will jack your clothes up. You guys, I meant to use this strengthening tea after I rinsed out my moisture mask, but somehow the synapses in my brain misfired. Hopefully it doesn't make too much of a difference. You guys, I just want to take a minute to show you all of the shedding that I got out of the shower. Can you even see it? It's practically nothing. My hair came out a little frizzy, so we'll see what the moisturizing treatment does, but I'm optimistic. This is what I'm talking about. Hibiscus stains from previous wash days. These are my chosen styling products. The Swab Naturals leave-in conditioner I just realized has protein in it, so I may have to back off that while I'm using a strengthener. This is the curl defining cream, also from Swab. And last but not least, my almost empty Schwarzkopf gel for curly hair. I'm back. This is it, I'm done. This is actually the next day. I put my hair up in a bun to sleep, and then this morning I took it down and shook it out. If you want to see the same day before and afters, I got that too. I'll throw a picture up. But it feels moisturized and it's bouncy. Look, it moves. I'll show you the back. My back's a little sparse. I need some thickness too. But overall, I'm pretty happy. Now the secret to growing hair is keeping your ends intact and moisturized. As long as they stay moisturized, they'll stay intact. Yes or no? I think so. So keep up with me, see how things go. Hit that subscribe button so you can't miss my next video.